Have you ever wished you have an AI assistant right inside your text messages? Well, Google have made that possible with Gemini in Android messages. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Gemini in Android messages, what you can do with it, and some cool tricks that can save your times. Let's get started. What is Gemini in Android messages? Gemini is a Google AI assistant that integrates directly into a Google Messages app. Instead of opening a separate AI app, you can chat with it right inside your messaging application. You can ask questions, generate ideas, and get help writing messages, summarizing information, and even plan trips or create a shopping list. Think of it as having an AI assistant available whenever you need it. Now here, what are the requirements? Before using Gemini in Android messaging, make sure you have an Android phone, the latest version of Google Messages app, a Google account signed into your device, Gemini availability in your country and language. If you don't see Gemini yet, don't worry. Google roll out features gradually, so it might arrive on your device later. Now, how to access Gemini? Here you can see it. Now open it like this here. Now here you can see this icon here. Now click on this icon here, tap on it like this. Now follow the sign up processes. And then click on yes. Now you have started using it. Always remember to read the terms and privacy information, then tap continue or accept. That's it, you have started chatting with Gemini just like you would with a friend. Now what can Gemini do? Now let's look at some things you can ask Gemini. You can ask it to write a birthday messages here for a friend like this. Then let me type it. Now you can see write a birthday messages for a friend. Now add a friend name here. I'll add a name. Now send it by clicking this icon here. Now here you can see short and punchy. Here it will give you many suggestions you can copy. You can see it will give you many suggestions. Here you can copy it like this. You can see you can copy it and then select it, paste it on your note, and then select the one you like here like this. Here you can see select it. And see select the one you like. You can see it here. Select the one you like and then send it to your friend. Also, you can ask it to give you a healthy breakfast recipe. Here you can see, let me type it here. You can see, give me a healthy breakfast recipe. You can see, now send it again. This is what you can ask it. And here you can see it have generated the healthy recipe. Here you can see the healthy recipe and even the time it will take to prepare it. You can see. You can also ask it here. You can also ask it educational question like explain photosynthesis in simple terms, create a timetable for an exam, plan a 3-day trip here. This all inside the messaging. Gemini can also help you brainstorm content ideas, draft emails, answer questions, and explain difficult topics. Even for students, for creators, for busy professionals, this feature is incredibly useful. Using Gemini to reply messages. One of the coolest features is getting help with replies. Suppose someone sends you a message and you are not sure what to reply or say. Like here, this is an example question. Write a polite reply saying I am busy today. You can see the question. Or here for professional occasion, like here you can ask it create a professional response to this meeting invitation. This saves time and help you communicate better. Important things to remember. How to Google Gemini is powerful. Remember these tips. Always verify important information. Avoid sharing your sensitive professional information. AI can sometimes make mistakes, so double check facts before using them. And remember, Gemini features may changes as Google continues to improve service. And that's how to use Google Gemini in Android messages. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorials. And also let us know in the comment section, have you tried Gemini in Android messages yet? And what feature do you like the most? Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.